So the cost to fix or repair this transmission right here, if you were to take it to a Triumph dealer, is $6,000. Now the used prices for these motorcycles, they go between about like $4,000 and $7,000 right now in the Washington State area. And so yeah, it would just completely eliminate the entire worth of the bike if you actually had this issue and you weren't able to fix it. Now for me to fix this transmission, it's costing me about, between all the specialty tools and the parts were about $600 for me to fix it in parts. And then specialty tools, it cost me another $4. So I'm in it to $1,000 just for me to, you know, fix this transmission. So transmission's done, and I have like a bag of goodies that I pulled for the transmission. This was the second gear that you can see where it engages right here. This is actually probably okay, to be honest, because the fourth had the same wear, and I didn't have a problem with the fourth gear. But since second gear was an issue, I decided to switch it out anyways. Same thing with the second gear dog. Now they were a little rounded on the edges, but to be honest, it might not have been to a point where it was, you know, cause issues, but I decided to replace it anyways. The update. So the update replaced this spring, which go together. They're like two separate pieces. But the newer updated one in the TSB is lighter. It's not as strong. And so I think this was causing most of the problems. And on the shaft, not this shaft, it was the actual drive shaft down here. This was smashed, and this was all the way at the end of the shaft, which is just a spacer really. And it goes kind of like orientation over here. It's the very last piece. And you can actually see it smashed so hard you can see the gear marks on it. So that might have been the issue. And then the second gear fork. So that was definitely worn. So I had to replace that. So this entire time I've been waiting on parts, but the transmission's back together. But I'm waiting on the bolts for the case, because according to the service manual, you're supposed to replace them. And then guys in the forum, they're like, you can put it together with the bolts, you know, no issues, but I don't want to take the chance. There's probably a reason why they did that. I don't know if it's for time or something else. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, so I ordered the parts from Engel Motors, and Fat Tony behind the freaking parts counter didn't listen to me, and it's now taking like 2 extra weeks longer to get the stupid bolts. So but yeah, I should be here like this Tuesday, and then I can start bolting everything back together. So okay, so this is how it goes. So right now it's in first gear. We're gonna go into neutral. I just went a second. First gear, neutral, second, third, fourth, and fifth. There it is. I'll put it back together.